Hey, what is up, guys? We're back with another video, and I just got a kill. That was that dude right there, and right now I'm just getting up health on this other extra full health, hopefully. Yeah, I was just getting in that house, checking out this. I just found this gun right here, my first one, and I seen somebody outside, so I jumped out and popped them, so that's good. And my teammate killed, I think we just marked the team, so I'm just gonna see if we can find anyone else, and I'll bring you back in whenever we do. Someone was just shooting at me. Alright, there he is. There we go, finally. Looks like I just knocked out his, I think he was the last person in his team. I almost died from that dude. Alright, let's go into this house. Another tip, make sure before you go into houses, make sure the coast is clear. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna get me some bandages on. Doesn't that sound like a Minecraft spider? Alright, that should give me full bandages. And now I need to take in painkillers, because he knocked down all of my extra health. Okay, that should be it. Alright, let's get some more people. Whoa, guys, we're being shot at. Heavy fire. Dang, son, my teammate is good. What in the world? Oh gosh. Where's his other teammate? Got my car 98 out now. You don't mess with me. Hopefully this guy had a scope, because I would really like putting my car 98. Oh yeah, another tip. I think I've already said this, but lay down whenever you're taking this stuff. Nope, but he had a mirror red dot. Alright. He was dealing a lot of damage there, so I'm gonna take a bandage. And I'm gonna get in the car, because we're out of the safe zone. Please say my teammate did not just take that car. Okay, thank goodness. Get in the vehicle. Get in the car.
Get in the car!
Alright, so I guess I'm gonna bring you back in on if I have any more exciting things. Guys, we are trapped in the play zone right now. Oh gosh, and we are taking fire. If we die right now, I am not gonna be too happy. I'm about to stop here by this tree and take a band or a med kit. Come on, first aid kit. Come on, come on, come on. Yes! This guy shooting at me does not help any, though. I have a long way to go. My teammate just left me behind. Yeah, what a good teammate, guys. If you ever get one of them teammates, throw a bomb at him. No, just kidding. Do not do that. Hopefully he comes back and gets me, though. Does not look like it, though. Do not think I'll be making it out of here alive. Let me see if he does anything if I say help.
Help! Help!
Come on, hurry up. Oh my god, it's so far. Oh no, I'm not even close. Oh, here he comes. Thank goodness, guys. I need to bandage up. Hold on, bro. Alright, come on. Lead me out of here, guy. Come on, bro. Go, 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 go. We can do it, guys. We can do it. No, guys, I'm knocked.
Help!
Come on, please come and help me.
Help! Help!
Is he gonna help me? No, of course not. Oh my god, guys. Well, I died, guys. I'm gonna stay along and spectate so I can actually find out what place I get. Okay, guys. Well, we just got first place.
Good job, Christian.
I decided to, yeah, basically decided to stay and watch and winner chicken dinner, guys. I ended up with, I think like 4 kills. But I think that's going to be it for this video. If you like the winner chicken dinner, make sure to subscribe and like the videos. So, bye and see you guys next time. Peace out.